Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who don't already know me or for those of you who are on my channel for the first time, hi, my name is Yasmeen. So I know I've received a couple requests to do more like vlog styled videos, so that's what we're going to be doing today. So as you guys can tell by the title, I am going on a road trip across Canada. So right now I'm currently in Montreal and I'm going to Ottawa, and it's just a couple hours away, and I'm going to go there for like 10 days to stay with my best friend. And yeah, I just wanted to like take you guys around with me for the day, like a get ready with me for my road trip type of thing. So I have a nail appointment, I have an eyebrow threading appointment, I have an electrolysis appointment, I need to go shopping, I need to pack my stuff, I need to clean my shoes, I need to do the laundry. Like there's so many things to do today, and I think these vlogs are just so fun because I don't know, it's kind of like a travel routine, you know, because I'm treating this like a vacation. Like I fully still have university and I still have classes. I'm sorry about like all the street noise. I'm just outside right now. I'm gonna be vlogging most of the day outside. It's such a pretty day. I'll look at how beautiful it looks out today. Okay, so before I get started, I just wanted to say I post new videos every single Tuesday, so make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and the bell notification button so you guys get notified every single time I make a post. And yeah, let's get started. Hey vlog! Okay, so I'm on my way to my electrolysis appointment. I just like stopped for a bit so I can talk to you guys. I just wanted to quickly explain. So basically what electrolysis is, it's like a hair removal treatment where they they inject a needle into your hair follicle, and the needle is as thin as your hair, and then they treat the hair, like they burn it, they kill it, and then they pull it out. And that's basically what it is. It's kind of like, you know how there's laser and there's like waxing and shaving, but like I just prefer electrolysis because it gives better long-term results. But yeah, I'm on my way. My favorite place to do electrolysis in Montreal is called Derma Mode. It is 100% my #1 recommendation. Also, oh my god, the lighting here is so great. Hey y'all, so I finished my electrolysis appointment. I'm on my way to the pharmacy so I can pick up a couple of things that I need. I just need things like hair ties and like hair clips and whatever. Self-checkout. Don't forget to scan your PC Optimum card. Hey guys, so I finished my appointment. I went and I picked up some food, I picked up some souvenirs for my friends, and I'm on my way right now to go get my nails done, and it's way too cold. Like it's so cold I'm uncomfortable. But anyways, I'm finally ready to get these ugly ass nails done. I haven't done them in months, and I usually go to Studio Gen. So yeah, let's see how they turn out. Hey vlog. Okay, so I'm back home. I didn't get to record because it was literally freezing and I was like running around everywhere, but I did my nails. This is like what I did. So I usually never do this like ring finger glitter type of stuff, but like I don't know, I was feeling it. I wanted a little bit more spice. But anyways, I also did, you guys can like literally see everything, but I also did my eyebrows. I just did like a little bit of cleaning, so they're basically exactly the same, just like better. But anyways, right now all I'm gonna be doing is the laundry because I finally finished the laundry, but like I need to pack my stuff and I need to put everything away because like I don't want to come back from Ottawa and like have all of these things to do, so I'm just gonna like do them right now. Hey vlog. Oh my god, I was literally talking for like 10 minutes and then I realized that I didn't even hit the record button. But anyways, so it's the next day. I passed out last night at like 4 a.m. because I was doing some work and I didn't pack, I didn't shave, I didn't do anything at all. And then I woke up this morning at like 9 a.m. and I'm like, holy shit, I have to leave the house in like 2 hours and a half. Like right now it's 10:50. But anyways, so I got in the shower. I used this new hair product that I bought. I'll give you guys a review. Oh, okay, so since it's sunny outside, you guys can actually see how my nails turned out, and honestly I like them. I don't know why I did this, but honestly I love them. Anyways, So yeah, I hopped in the shower, I shaved, and right now I'm just like picking all my outfits. I'm gonna show you guys what everything looks like. And also, this is my outfit. I'm literally just wearing like a white turtleneck and leggings, and I'm gonna wear my boots. Oh my god, look at how crazy my room looks like right now. But this is like basically the things that I'm gonna take with me, like going out pants, staying home sweats, going out shirts, etc, etc. And yeah, I'm just gonna go pack these right now. Hey vlog. Okay, so I'm like outside the station. I like packed super quick and I got my Uber, and I got here because I was just so late. But anyways, obviously I have to have my mask inside, so I'm just like outside eating a sandwich because I haven't had breakfast. But anyways, yeah, it's like 11:35 right now, so I have like 30 minutes until my train leaves. So I'm chilling. I have no idea what I'm supposed to do with this huge ass suitcase. But yeah, see you guys in the train. Hey vlog. Okay, so this is literally like my third or my fourth day in Ottawa. I just forgot to film the outro when I arrived. Okay, that's a lie. I didn't forget, but I wasn't gonna be like filming in the middle of the train station. Anyways, guys, I'm in Ottawa right now, so that was my entire travel routine or vacation routine, or just me getting ready, me prepping. I can remember is me being so freaking stressed out because I was so late. But anyways, everything was chill. I'm so happy I'm here. I'm so happy I'm with my best friend. Guys, that's the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it just as much as I enjoyed recording it. So make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. As always, guys, if there's any type of video you ever want me to make sure to put it in the comment section down below, and I'd be more than happy to do it. I'll see you guys next week.